Hey, welcome back to the garage, everyone. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to determine whether or not your accessory belt noise is attributable to a loose belt or a problematic accessory. Stay tuned. All right, we've got to start by cranking up the old girl here. All right, my air conditioning is already running, and I think you can probably hear the belt noise. So, right there where my finger is pointing is my air conditioning belt. Now it's jumping up and down and making all sorts of squeaky noises. So we have to figure out what's causing that. We're going to do a simple test, okay? We're going to put a little bit of water on it. If the noise goes away, it's a belt noise. If the noise remains, it's in the air conditioning compressor. So check this out. All right, I believe I found a way to do this with one hand. So I have my funnel is going to dump into the air conditioning compressor pulley, and I'm going to dump a little water onto it. Now listen up. See if you can hear the difference. Here we go. Did you hear that? The noise went away. It's going to come right back. We just proved, I'm going to do it again. Here we go. We just proved that the problem, we just proved that the problem is with the belt. So then we have to figure out why that is. Okay, well, I've got a pretty good idea why it is. So the belt that I installed on my air conditioning compressor was I believe it was made in USA. I think it was a Gates. I got it up at O'Reilly's. Probably nothing wrong with the belt, but this is a Mercedes. I think what I'm going to try to do is go ahead and order an official or genuine Mercedes belt. Pierre Hedary over on his channel seems to think that really you should order a Mercedes belt. So I'm going to give that a shot. Maybe the Mercedes belt is just a smidgen thinner or wider than this one. So I will tell you this: if an accessory drive belt or a drive belt in general, a V belt, is not the precise width that is required by the pulley, the belt can either dig into the pulley or try to jump out of it. Now, so case in point, my dad had a table saw, right? A fairly large industrial sized table saw, had a huge motor in it, and a drive belt that drove the saw blade, okay? So he put a belt on it that was too narrow for the pulley. What happened was that belt would continually try to dig into the pulley of the motor, and when it was coming out, it was having to rip itself free. So it was very jerky and very had a lot of vibration. So we put the right width belt on there, and his problem was solved. So at least that's my theory here for my air conditioning compressor. I don't know this is the case, but I'm going to get on to Pelican and order a genuine Mercedes belt and see if that fixes my problem. So stay tuned for that one. So hey, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.